Welcome, in front of me I have OnePlus Nord N10 5G and I'm gonna show you how to record the screen on this device. First we need to open the quick panel. To do it, swipe down from the top of the screen twice, like this, then swipe left on the screen to go to the next page, and here we have screen recorder icon. Tap on it, then tap on always agree. This little menu will appear on the screen. You can move it by pressing and holding on it and then dragging it on the screen. To start the recording, tap on the record button right here. As you can see, it's recording now. To stop the recording, tap on this menu right here. It's barely visible now. Tap stop button, like that. We have notification that the video was saved. You can delete it or share it. You can also open it, I guess. Oh, my bad, I closed the notification, so let's go to gallery. Screen recorder, and here we have our screen recording. Okay. On this menu right here, we have also the settings icon. We can tap on it to go to the screen recording settings. And here we have a few options. First one is resolution. We can't change it for some reason, I don't know why. Below we have bitrate. Here we can select one of the options, for example 20 megabytes per second, or megabits, I believe. I'm not sure, honestly. Below we have number of frames. Here we can select the frame rate, for example 30. Right here we have audio source, and we can select no audio, internal audio, or microphone. Below the audio source we have video orientation, and we can select auto, landscape, portrait. Next one is hide floating widget. This option, when you enable it, basically this widget will disappear, I believe, when you start recording. So let's tap record. As you can see, the widget disappeared, and you need to open the notification panel to stop the recording, like this. Another option is show touch operation. Basically, when you're recording, you will see the circles when you in the places you touch the screen, and you can enable or disable this option. And last option is pause recording when screen is off, and we can enable it or disable it. Okay. And to exit the recording mode, simply tap on the X button on this menu, like that. And that's how you record the screen on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.